For now, guys, the water is so dirty here. I don't know why, but it's dirty. Maybe because people are using it and playing on it. But to be honest, or according to the history, this is the second largest fresh water in the worldwide, like worldwide, guys. The second fresh water. It's okay, here is looking dirty, maybe due to some pollution around here, but it's not dirty, you have to know that. And there is a lot of different branches or different beaches exist here in Uganda. But I choose to come to Coco Beach, guys. But I want to ask some local, like, guys, there is something I'm planning to know it here, guys. Guys, how are you?
Okay, bro, how about you?
Good. Just I have one doubt, like in all Uganda here, which is the best beach? Like
the best beach? Probably, because last time it was white sand.
White sand.
Probably now it's this one.
Now Coco Beach.
Yeah.
Now in Entebbe, Coco Beach is the beach that most people visit. Do visit? Probably, yeah? Oh, thank you. Yeah. So those are the local people, guys, and you can hear from them the review, guys. Like Coco Beach is the best, and why you can choose Coco Beach, like because people are having a lot of fun, entertainment outside there, guys. I will take you shortly, but let me show you the beach, guys.